1974 Karmann gear. It's my pride and joy on a 3-year build, valued at $100,000. Let me show you a little bit about it.
You're gonna love that.
Here we go, the party's definitely in the back. It's an air-cooled engine with an extra oil cooler on the back and a fan to keep this hot rod engine nice and cool. It's 1900 cc's with a big bore kit. It's done in Louis Vuitton inserts, 𝗁𝗲𝗿𝗀 brown vinyl out of the hot rods. It's got Louis Vuitton headlining. It's got the interior light on the switch on the dash, a quick shifter, timber steering wheel, timber inserted dash. Have a go at the body on this. It's got Porsche fenders, front and rear. It's painted in flame red, Porsche wheels. It is sick. That's it, folks. My pride and joy, a 3-year build. Get a package, get a home in your garage. Paddy here from Classics, proud to support veterans.